Hello, this is Trap Music 321 here, and I'm doing a review on Captain America's Avenger bike. It comes with 3 figures, which are Captain America, and 2 Loki soldiers. Now you also get this little cool blaster thingy, a speeder bike, as you see in the movies, and you get like this mortar tower thing. You can adjust it, but you also get Captain America's shield, which as you can see, there's a little clip here, right there, and in the movie he jams it into the back of his bike, and he's riding it, and the lasers are deflecting off here. You get a 23-page booklet, and you also get this little comic. It's kind of blurry right now, but you get a cool little comic with it. You get some cool features like this. That's a flick fire missile in it. Oh. It won't go out. There, it kind of went out there. But on a 1 to 10 scale of how I like this set, I would honestly have to say a 10. Because I love the Avengers. Captain America has always been my favorite. And they just give you awesome stuff. It doesn't have that many pieces or all. But I love how there's this little clip-on feature here. And if you can aim it correctly, you can have the mortar tower shoot and it'll bounce right off like in the movie. But yeah, the Avengers are honestly my favorite, but Captain America, the best. The next set that I will be doing is the Elite Clone Battle Pack. Okay, bye. This is Trap Music 321. Peace out.